This video is on integration using residues. In today's video, we are going to find the poles and the residues at each point of f of z. Sine square z by z minus pi by 6 square. So here in the question, so what is f of z given? F of z is given as sine square z by, this is z minus pi by 6 whole square. So first of all, we have to find the poles for this function. So in order to find the poles for this function, we have to equate the denominator to 0. So what is the denominator here? That is z minus pi by 6 whole square is equal to 0. So if I equate z minus pi by 6 to 0 and z value is equal to pi by 6. So here this is a pole. So which is a pole of order 2. So this is a pole of order 2. And now in order to find the residue values, so here is the formula. What is the residue? Residue of f of z at point z is equal to z naught is nothing but, so this is 1 by m minus 1 factorial into, this is limit z tends to z naught. See here, this will be d by dz par m minus 1 into, this is z minus z naught par m into f of z. So this is the formula for finding the residue at the corresponding poles. So here our pole value, m value here is, the order value here is 2. So that's why I'm writing m is equal to 2. So m is equal to 2 and our pole value z naught is equal to, what is our pole value here? This is pi by 6. So here for the given function, the pole value here is z is equal to pi by 6. And for this pole, we are finding the residue. And therefore, now if I substitute in this formula, then this will be residue of f of z at pole value z is equal to pi by 6 is equal to m minus 1. So what is our m value? This is 2. This is 2 minus 1 factorial into limit z tends to z naught value is nothing but pi by 6. This is d by dz value of m minus 2. This is 2 minus 1 into, this is z minus z naught. Z naught value here is pi by 6. Order value here is 2 into f of z. So what is our f of z? F of z is nothing but, see here, sine square z. So this is sine square z by z minus pi by 6 whole square. Z minus pi by 6 whole square. Now if I cancel these two terms and see, I can write this as, this is 2 minus 1, 1 I am leaving, that is limit z tends to pi by 6. Limit z tends to pi by 6, this is d by dz, 2 minus 1 is 1. One time we have to make a derivative for the remaining function. So what is the remaining function? That is the sine square z. So after making the derivative for sine square z, and we have to substitute z value as pi by 6. So the derivative here will be, this is limit z tends to pi by 6. This is 2 sine z, and for sine z again this value is cos z. So this value is again cos z. Now z value I have to keep as pi by 6. That is 2 into, this is sine pi by 6 into cos pi by 6. See here, this value is nothing but 2 sine, this value is 30 degrees into cos 30 degrees. As you know, the cos value here is 1 by 2 into, this is root 3 by 2. So if I cancel 2 for one time, so what remains here? This is root 3 by 2. So this is our residue value of f of z. At the pole value z is equal to pi by 6. So this is how we have to solve, and see here, this is our residue value at the corresponding pole z is equal to pi by 6. And see, let me explain you this one. This is also very, very important. F of z is equal to sine square z by z minus pi by 6 whole square. So in order to find the poles, so we have to equate the denominator to 0. And here we got the pole value z is equal to pi by 6, which is a pole of order 2. And see, next we have to find the residues. So we have to find the residues for the corresponding poles. So here is the formula for finding the residue. So in this residue, the order value here is 2. So m is equal to 2 and the pole value z naught is equal to pi by 6. After substituting our f of z, m value and z naught value, so this remained. So here we have to find derivative for this function, and again we have to substitute z value as pi by 6, and this is our residue value for the corresponding pole. Z is equal to pi by 6. Thank you so much for watching. If you really like, please practice. Definitely you can solve any problem of this kind, and your preparation will be very easy if you follow these videos. And please pass it on to your friends. Subscribe to this channel, stay connected, and keep watching these videos for your better preparation. Thank you so much.